Choosing the best Nikon camera in 2024 can be a daunting task with all the incredible options available. In this video, we're diving deep into the top 5 best Nikon cameras of this year. From stellar image quality to advanced features, these cameras are sure to impress both amateur and professional photographers. All the links to the mentioned products are in the description below for up-to-date pricing and the best deals. Let's get started. Number 5. Nikon Z7 II. First on our list is the Nikon Z7 II. This mirrorless camera is perfect for photographers who crave high-resolution images. It features a 45.7 megapixel full-frame sensor that delivers stunning detail and clarity in every shot. The Z7 II's dual X-Speed 6 image processors ensure fast performance, making it ideal for capturing fast-moving subjects or shooting in challenging lighting conditions. One of the standout features of the Z7 II is its impressive autofocus system. With 493 on-sensor phase detect autofocus points, this camera can quickly and accurately lock onto subjects, even in low light. This makes it great for wildlife and sports photography, where precision and speed are crucial. The Z7 II also includes eye detection autofocus, which is a game-changer for portrait photographers. In terms of handling and build quality, the Nikon Z7 II feels solid and durable. It's weather-sealed to protect against dust and moisture, allowing you to shoot in various conditions without worry. The camera's ergonomics are well-designed, with a comfortable grip and intuitive button layout. This makes it easy to use, even during long shooting sessions. The Z7 II's video capabilities are also worth mentioning. It can shoot 4K UHD video at up to 60 frames per second, providing smooth and high-quality footage. The camera also supports 10-bit N-Log and HLG, which are essential for those who want to do serious video work. On the downside, the battery life could be better, but the Z7 II supports USB-C charging, so you can easily top it up on the go. Number 4. Nikon D850. Next up is the Nikon D850, a DSLR that has stood the test of time and remains a favorite among photographers. This camera boasts a 45.7 megapixel full-frame sensor, delivering exceptional image quality with rich detail and vibrant colors. The D850's dynamic range is particularly impressive, allowing you to capture a wide range of tones from deep shadows to bright highlights. The autofocus system on the D850 is highly reliable, with 153 focus points, including 99 cross-type sensors. This ensures fast and accurate focusing, making it suitable for a variety of shooting scenarios, from landscapes to action shots. The camera's continuous shooting speed of 7 frames per second can be increased to 9 FPS with the optional battery grip, which is great for capturing fast-paced action. One of the major strengths of the D850 is its build quality. This camera is built like a tank, with a magnesium alloyed body that is both robust and weather-sealed. It's designed to withstand the rigors of professional use, making it a dependable choice for photographers who need a durable camera. The optical viewfinder is bright and clear, offering a 100% coverage of the frame, which is perfect for composing shots accurately. The D850 also excels in video performance, offering 4K UHD recording with no crop, so you get the full benefit of the wide-angle capabilities of your lenses. Additionally, it has slow-motion video capabilities and an 8K time-lapse feature, adding creative options for videographers. The downside is that the D850 is quite hefty, and some users might find it cumbersome for extended handheld shooting. However, its performance and image quality more than make up for the weight. Number 3. Nikon Z6 II. Coming in at number 3 is the Nikon Z6 II, another excellent mirrorless option from Nikon. This camera features a 24.5 megapixel full-frame sensor that strikes a great balance between resolution and low-light performance. The dual X-Speed 6 processors provide fast and efficient performance, making the Z6 II a versatile choice for various types of photography. The Z6 II's autofocus system is highly advanced, with 273 on-sensor phase detect points. It offers reliable and fast focusing, even in dimly lit environments. The camera also includes eye detection and animal detection autofocus, which are fantastic for portraits and pet photography. The Z6 II can shoot at a continuous rate of 14 FPS, which is great for action and sports photography. In terms of design, the Z6 II is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around for long periods. It has a solid build quality with weather sealing, ensuring durability in different shooting conditions. The electronic viewfinder is bright and detailed, and the tilting touchscreen adds to the ease of use, especially for shooting from different angles. When it comes to video, the Z6 II shines with its 4K UHD recording at up to 60 FPS. The camera supports 10-bit HDMI output and has advanced video features like focus peaking and zebras, making it a solid choice for videographers. However, the battery life is relatively short, but the ability to charge via USB-C is a convenient feature that helps mitigate this issue. Number 2. Nikon Z9. The Nikon Z9 takes the second spot on our list and is a powerhouse in the world of mirrorless cameras. This camera features a 45.7 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor, providing incredible image quality and detail. The Z9's sensor and processor combination delivers stunning low-light performance, making it ideal for a wide range of photography genres. One of the most impressive aspects of the Z9 is its autofocus system. With 493 phase detection points and advanced subject detection, this camera can track moving subjects with remarkable precision. Whether you're shooting sports, wildlife, or fast-moving events, the Z9's autofocus system ensures you'll get sharp and in-focus images. The camera's continuous shooting speed is also noteworthy, offering up to 20 FPS with full-resolution RAW files. The build quality of the Nikon Z9 is top-notch, featuring a rugged, weather-sealed body that can handle tough shooting environments. The camera is designed for professional use, with a deep grip and well-placed controls that provide a comfortable shooting experience. The large, high-resolution electronic viewfinder offers a clear and detailed view, making it easy to compose your shots. Video capabilities are where the Z9 truly excels. It can shoot 8K video at 30 FPS and 4K video at up to 120 FPS, offering incredible flexibility for filmmakers. The Z9 also supports 12-bit RAW video output and has advanced video features like waveform monitoring and focus peaking. On the downside, the Z9 is quite expensive, but for professionals who need top-tier performance and features, it's worth the investment. Number 1. Nikon Z8. Topping our list is the Nikon Z8, a camera that offers a perfect blend of performance, image quality, and advanced features. The Z8 features a 61-megapixel full-frame sensor, delivering stunning resolution and detail that will satisfy even the most demanding photographers. The camera's X-Speed 7 processor ensures fast and efficient performance, making it suitable for a wide range of shooting scenarios. The autofocus system on the Z8 is incredibly advanced, with 493 phase detection points and AI-driven subject detection. This allows the camera to lock onto and track subjects with exceptional accuracy, even in challenging conditions. The Z8 also offers a continuous shooting speed of up to 15 FPS, making it ideal for capturing fast-paced action and sports. The design and build quality of the Nikon Z8 are outstanding. It features a durable, weather-sealed body that can withstand harsh shooting environments. The ergonomics are well thought out, with a comfortable grip and intuitive controls that make it easy to handle. The large, bright electronic viewfinder and the tilting touchscreen add to the overall user experience, making it a joy to use. In terms of video performance, the Z8 is a beast. It can shoot 8K video at 30 FPS and 4K video at up to 120 FPS, providing incredible flexibility for videographers. The camera supports 12-bit RAW video output and includes advanced video features like focus peaking, zebras, and a waveform monitor. While the Z8 is on the pricier side, its exceptional performance and feature set make it a worthy investment for serious photographers and videographers. There you have it, the top 5 best Nikon cameras of this year. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and photography tips. Let us know in the comments which Nikon camera you're most excited about, or if you have any questions. Happy shooting!